Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Design Excellence. Today we are going to make this part with the help of this sketch, and maximum time of this exercise will be 8 to 10 minutes, and image link on description box. So let's start. So firstly we draw this portion, and then this, and after that this portion. Okay, so let's take a plane and draw a sketch. Okay, small dimension. This is 84 and this is 96, and this should be equal. Okay, now extrude, finish sketch and extrude. Extrude 72 millimeter and okay. Now we have to draw this extrude cut. So we have to take a plane there, then we draw this portion. Okay, so click this plane and take a plane. Flip direction and distance will be 84 minus 21. So it should be 63. Okay. Now click OK. Go to plane 1 and sketch. Firstly take normal. Okay. Draw a rectangle. Okay. Now dimension, it is 24 and it's 24. Okay. Now dimension of this portion 36. Okay, and this portion is 24. Okay, now finish sketch and go to extrude cut. Select the sketch and through all. Okay, so we have to make this circle or hole. So click on this plane and again normal to, and go to extrude cut and draw a sketch. This center and this center. Okay, dimension 12 millimeter and 36. Okay, and 48. Okay, go to finish sketch and flip direction and click OK. So our hole is complete. Now we have to draw this portion. Hide this plane and front plane. Okay, and take a offset of this plane. We have to take right plane offset to make this portion, then go to reference and plane. This distance is 144 and okay. Now go to plane 2 and no root. Now go to extrude and draw a sketch. Draw a sketch. Distance is 36 and this distance is 48. Okay, and it is 12. Okay, finish the sketch and flip the direction and extrude this to 190. Click OK. Now we have to hide this plane and make those circles with this plane and extrude cut with this face and draw a circle. Here also dimension of this circle is 24 and circle is also 24 and distance is 24 again. There also 24 millimeter. Now this distance is 24. Okay, and this also 24. Click. Now finish the sketch and through all. Okay, so our exercise is complete. Hope you like it. If you have any doubts, then please comment and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.